Welcome to Cutting Edge yet again. Today we will prepare a most magnificent Italian recipe, Tuscan chicken, but with a small twist.
We're gonna barbecue and give a bit of smoke flavor to the chicken breast instead of pan frying like the original recipe calls for.
Mamma mia!
First and most important step to ensure that your chicken stays juicy after grilling is to brine your chicken breasts. To do that, you're gonna need a syringe. It gives the best results and it's well worth the 10-12 euros you have to pay to get one. To create your brine, I'm going to use a rock salt and a liter of water. And then I'm going to start out with, I know my salt, this is about 2 spoons, but be careful with this. You want to taste your water to make sure that you have the correct saltiness. So we're just going to mix this up until it's all dissolved. And now fill up our syringe, and then we make sure that we inject each chicken breast 2 or 3 places. Don't worry about the water running out. We're going to leave it here to soak for an hour, both inside and out. So 1, 2, and 3. There we go. And then we continue through all 12. When you are done, pour the remaining salt water over the chicken, and then we close them up and leave them for an hour or so while we fire up the barbecue. Once the chicken has marinated for about an hour, you pat them dry with paper towel and you set your barbecue to 150, 160 degrees centigrade. And then you're ready to grill your chicken. Me personally, I like to add a chunk of applewood to the barbecue while grilling. It gives a nice smoky flavor to the chicken. Time to check the core temperature on our chicken breast. Let's see where we are. We are here at 52, 54 degrees, so that's nice. So let's turn them over so we can finish the barbecue. Ooh, they're looking good. That's what you want to see. Nice sear marks. We give it another 10 minutes and then we check again. Let's check the core temperature because we don't want to cook these too much. We will be looking at, there we are, 65, 66 degrees. That's perfect. We don't want to cook it all the way to 75 as recommended because we want to cook them finished in the sauce. And check how juicy that is. That is perfect chicken breast. Time to prepare the sauce. Start by frying 2 chopped onions in extra virgin olive oil. Fry them till they are translucent. Add 3 sliced bell peppers, red bell peppers, so they can soften up. They will release a little bit of water. Let them do that and let it evaporate. When you see that the humidity is good and done, ready, then you create a small hole in the middle where you add 3 tablespoons of smoked spicy paprika. We add the paprika here in order to fry it a little bit. That releases a lot of flavor from the paprika. You should be able to smell this now. Just before we start adding any liquids, we will add our garlic. I have here 2 cloves, big cloves of garlic. We will fry it only about 30 seconds. We do not want to burn it. can smell when it becomes fragrant, and then we will add first tomato paste. I have here 150 grams of tomato paste. And then I will add 300 grams of sun-dried diced tomatoes. Deglaze the pan with 250 milliliter of fortified wine, vermouth, and then let the alcohol evaporate. Add a liter of chicken broth. And bring it to simmer. And then pour a liter of cream and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes until the sauce starts thickening. When the sauce starts to thicken, add oregano, about half a tablespoon, and a tablespoon of fresh thyme, freshly ground pepper, we stir that in, and then we have 250 grams of grated Parmesan. So we will mix the sauce. Once the cheese is melted, you add your baby spinach to the sauce and let it wilt. And finally, we are ready to add our chicken into the sauce and let it cook for 10-15 minutes. Then the Tuscan chicken is ready. Ready to taste?
Long time now. That's really tasty.
That's a nice twist on a Tuscan chicken.
Who's your cook? Enjoy, guys.